Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're going to be looking at standard form, which is sometimes called scientific notation. Standard form numbers must always start with a single digit which is bigger than 0. So take the number in ordinary form and move the decimal point until there is just one digit at the front. Then multiply by 10 raised to the power of how many decimal places you moved the decimal point. If you move the decimal point to the left, raise the 10 to a positive number. If you move the decimal point to the right, raise the 10 to a negative number. Okay, let's run through some examples. Let's convert the number 123 into standard form. So we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the left, so we've just got the 1.23, and so that needs then to be multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2 because we moved the decimal point 2 places to the left, and because we moved to the left it's positive 2, not negative 2. Let's take the number 3466 and put that into standard form. So we have to move the decimal point 3 places to the left, so that makes it 3.466, and we have to multiply by 10 to the power positive 3 because the decimal point was moved to the left. This time let's take the number 0.00025 and put that into standard form. Well, this time we're going to have to move the decimal point 4 places to the right in order to get it to be 2 point something, in this case 2.5. So we're going to be multiplying by 10 to the power negative 4, and the reason the 4 is negative is because we're moving the decimal point to the right. And lastly, let's try a little bit of a trick one. What is 3.67 in standard form? Well, it already has a single digit in front of the decimal point, so we don't have to move the decimal point anywhere at all. So since we haven't moved the decimal point, 3.67 in standard form is just 3.67 times 10 to the power 0. Okay, let's just try converting backwards this time. We've got a number in standard form, 2.865 times 10 to the power 6. And what would that number be in ordinary form? Well, since we had to move the decimal point 6 places to the left to get it into standard form, so to get back to ordinary form we'll have to move it 6 places to the right. So that makes it 2,865,000. Remember, when we've got the gaps after we've moved the decimal point, we fill them in with placeholding zeros. Alright, let's try one more example. What is 6.86 times 10 to the power negative 3 in ordinary form? Well, again, we had to move the decimal point 3 places to the right in order to get the 6.86 times 10 to the power negative 3. So to get back to ordinary form, we'll have to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So that makes it 0.00686. Okay, I think we've worked through enough examples here. Why don't you have a go at trying to convert some numbers from standard form to ordinary form and back again until you're absolutely confident with it. And in the next video we're going to look at why would we even bother with this stuff in the first place. Okay, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I'll see you in the next video.